In this video, I want to talk to you about neighborhoods in Detroit. Somebody emailed me, one of my viewers, thank you. I love it when you guys reach out to me. And they said they want to do some research before they buy on neighborhoods in Detroit. So I'm going to tell you in this video what I told him my theory is lately on neighborhoods in Detroit. And there's going to be a lot of you that disagree with me. I'm ready for it. It's okay. I'm Monique Burns. My husband and I buy houses in Detroit. We've been doing this. We started with our own portfolio in 2007 when it was really good prices. And then we started going full guns in 2015, and we have flipped around 200 houses now in Detroit. We have watched firsthand how the neighborhoods have changed. In this video though, I want you to see a house we just bought and wait till you see the neighborhood. The thing that has changed, the street that we bought this house on is dicey. It does not look pretty. I first saw it and I'm like, oh no, how am I gonna sell this to an investor? But I drove down it. I want you to see it. I'm gonna show it to you. I'm not hiding it. There's some bad houses. And then I went around the corner, and on the other side, behind my house, are beautiful houses on a very well kept block. And I believe that the street that my house is on is going to be like that street coming up. So when people say, I want to shop the neighborhoods, I want to say to them, and this is what I told the guy that wrote to me from Toronto, and he asked me this, that really you can't do that anymore, because even though this street that we bought this house on is like, ugh, those houses are either going to be torn down or they're going to be renovated. Every time we buy a house, there is construction up and down the street happening. And if not that, the city is holding some of these houses, the vacant ones. The city is holding them, waiting for the prices to go up, and then they're starting to sell them. And that is already happening. The prices have gone up, the city is starting to sell them. So my theory is it is time to buy now on a street like this one, because you have to imagine that the rest of this street is going to look like the street around the corner. So I want you to see this house because we are going away from selling houses to investors. And this one may very well be one that we go in there and we renovate it and we list it on the MLS. I'm a broker now, so it makes it a lot easier that I can just throw this house up on the MLS and a homeowner is able to buy it. For the longest time, homeowners could not buy houses in Detroit because banks did not like to give mortgages for under $50,000. If it was over $50,000, then the banks would consider giving a mortgage. They just don't make money on mortgages under 50. Well, houses are worth a lot more than 50 now. And I ran some comps, and this one will be like around 115, I think, we could get out of it. And I want you to see the inside. It's a beautiful house, and it would be really awesome if you comment below if it were your fix and flip. Tell me your HGTV ideas. I would love it. We would love to hear back from you. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. I'm working on putting together a video on deeds. No matter what city you live in, did you know there's all kinds of different deeds? It's something I learned when I did my training to become a broker. And you need to know what kind of deed of a house you're buying. It helps me a lot too if you just give me a thumbs up and like the video. So let's get into the house, and I can't wait to hear your comments.